Hey, what's up, everybody out there in social media land? It's your main man, Mr. Levels, aka Pips, aka Hop, aka It's Up There. You know, today you're in for a treat because I'm going to be giving a tutorial on exactly how to create a crypto wallet, what you should do when creating a crypto wallet, and how to purchase cryptos, meme coins, and Bitcoin ordinals, inscriptions, and NFTs, and things of that nature. So, without further ado, let me give a quick disclaimer as always. This is not financial advice in any way. Everything that I share throughout this tutorial is for educational purposes only. I repeat, this is in no way financial advice. Everything that I share throughout this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Cool beans, cool beans. Let's get into it. So, the first thing you want to do when creating a crypto wallet, right? First thing you got to do is create the wallet, of course. And you want to do this from a laptop or desktop computer, right? And once you get to the platform or the wallet that you want to create, right? You have to add the wallet to your extension, right? Whether you use Google Chrome, um, Safari, Firefox, Yahoo, Bing, whatever you use, you want to add your crypto wallets to your extensions, right? To your browser. So, with that being said, it's four wallets in particular that I like using and that I've found they all have a nice user interface, right? And well, I would say all of them except Unisat. But um, I do like the Unisat wallet. So I'm going to go over the wallets that I like and the wallets that I have downloaded to my browser, the ones that I use, and I'm going to show you just how to create it and how to go about buying crypto, ordinals, NFTs, inscriptions, um, meme coins, and the whole nine. So let's jump into it. So the first wallet that we're going to be looking at is the leather wallet. So for to create a leather wallet, you need to go to leather.io, right? And when you get there, you're going to come to this home page and you're going to see here it says Bitcoin for the rest of us. Leather is the only wallet you need to tap into the multi-layered Bitcoin economy, right? And you'll see this big button right here, this big white button that says install leather now, right? So we're going to click that button and then you see it's going to bring you to another page and it's going to ask you whether you want to install on Chrome, Brave, or Edge, or Firefox. I'm on Brave, right? So I'm going to leave it on this tab. And you see down here is another button that says install from Chrome Web Store, right? So we're going to click that. And it's going to bring you to the Chrome Web Store. And had I not already had this wallet downloaded, it would say add to Brave instead of remove from Brave, obviously. So I already have that wallet downloaded right here, right? So once you add the wallet, right, the wallet's gonna pop up and it's gonna ask you, do you want to create a new wallet or do you want to import an already existing wallet, a wallet that you already have, right? For you guys, most of you guys, you're going to be creating a new wallet. So you're going to create the new wallet. You're going to select create new wallet, right? And at this time, it's going to ask you to create a password. This will be the password that you use after the wallet is created. And once you add it to your browser up here where you see my mouse, add up here going back and forth, right? Whenever you click on your wallet, the first thing it's going to ask you for is that password that you're about to create, right? So you're going to create that password. Make sure you write that password down, keep it somewhere safe, because if you lose that password, you will not be able to access your wallet from your laptop, right? Cool beans. So you're going to create the password. And then once you create the password, this please pay close attention to these next steps, right? Once you create the password, it's going to give you a seed phrase, right? Your seed phrase is like the key to your wallet. It's like the key to your home. It's like the passcode to your banking account, right? If somebody has that seed phrase or somebody um, gets a hold of your seed phrase, they literally have free range to do whatever they want to do with your wallet, meaning they can transfer coins in and they can transfer coins out. They can literally drain your whole account. So that's why writing this seed phrase down somewhere, not letting anybody else get access or a hold of this seed phrase is so important, right? Another thing that's really important is making sure you keep up with the seed phrase because, ladies and gentlemen, if you lose this seed phrase, you are shit out of luck when it comes to assessing accessing your cryptocurrency. So basically, if you lose your seed phrase, it's basically like you lost your wallet out of your pocket. For you ladies, it's like you lost your purse out of your pocketbook. It is gone. And with cryptocurrency, there's no lost and found, there's no fine, there's no customer support where they can come and retrieve or give you. It is over and done with, literally over and done with. There's people to this day who were some of the first buyers of Bitcoin who bought tens of thousands of Bitcoin that are worth billions of dollars right now at this very moment in time. And they cannot get access to that money because they simply did not write down their seed phrase or put their seed phrases up in safekeep, right? So I'm telling you now, I'm telling you, I'm telling you, I'm telling you, I'm telling you, whenever you create a wallet, the most important thing that you do is to write down, it's going to be either a 12-word seed phrase. Most of the time with Ethereum wallets, and with Bitcoin wallets, it can be both. It can be either a 12-word seed phrase or a 24-word seed phrase. I think with Leather, if I'm not mistaken, it's a 24-word seed phrase, right? And it's going to give you that seed phrase and it's going to tell you, make sure you write this seed phrase down. You don't let anybody else get a hold of it and you keep it in a safe place. Cool beans? Cool beans. And that's what every crypto wallet that you create, whether it's an Ethereum wallet, a Bitcoin wallet, a Tezos wallet, Solana wallet, or whatever, you're always going to get a seed phrase because those are literally the keys to your wallet, right? Nobody else has access to it. That's why crypto is decentralized, because this is independent banking. There's no third parties in this. You control your own money. You don't have to ask permission to send or receive money. You control all of that. There's no third party man with his hand in your pocket or dictating what it is you can and cannot do with your money, right? That's why crypto is the future and decentralization and sovereignty and all that good stuff is so important and why I'm doing this and doing my part in onboarding the masses into the world of crypto. Cool beans? Cool beans. So now that we got that out the way, you know how to add, you know how to get to leather, you know how to add it to your browser, you know how to create the password, you know how to write down, get the seed phrase, write it down, put it up in a safe place, and so forth. Right? Okay, cool beans. And this is going to be the same step that you repeat when creating the other three wallets that I'm going to tell you about. So the four wallets that I like is Leather Wallet, Xverse Wallet, Unisat Wallet, and the Magic Eden Wallet, right? So I just show you how to create the Leather Wallet, how to add, well, how to get to the website and how to add it to your browser, how to create it, and how to create the password and get the seed phrase and write that down and put it up and say keep, right? You're gonna do for Magic Eating, right? For Magic Eden, right, you're gonna go to your Chrome browser, Google browser, whatever it is, right? You're gonna search Magic Eden extension, right? You're gonna come down here and click that first one, right? Google link. And the same thing here, it's gonna say the same thing here for me that it did for Leather because I already have the wallets, right? But for you, it's gonna say add to Google, add to Brave or whatever browser you use. And you're gonna literally repeat the same steps that I just explained to you with the leather wallet. Same exact step, right? Now with Unisat, you can just simple.io, right? From the homepage, it will give you the option of downloading to your Apple or your Google Chrome extension, right? Same exact thing. Gonna download it, right? It's gonna ask you, would you like to add it to your extension? Yes, of course, right? You're gonna create the password. You're going to get your soon as you create the password, your C phrase will appear, right? You're gonna get that, write it down, copy it, write it down, put it up in safe keep, and now you have a Unisat wallet. It's going to be the same thing with the Xverse wallet, right? You're going to go to xverse.app, right? And you're going to do the same as that thing that you did with the previous wallet, right? My computer is moving a little slow, well, my internet's moving a little slow. So bear with me, ladies and gentlemen. So this is xverse.app. You're literally going to do the same thing. Download it, right? It's gonna give me a second. It's gonna bring you here. Ask you, do you want to download the mobile version or the browser extension version? You're gonna do yes, browser, download to the Chrome browser or whatever browser you use. And the same thing. So I know I'm starting to sound like a broken record now. It's literally the same process whenever you're creating a wallet or adding a wallet to your browser, right? So up here you can see where all my wallets. I have a Magic Eden wallet here. I have about 7 or 8 different wallets. You don't need as many wallets. I do a lot of beta testing when these apps are in early development. So that's why you'll see I have like 8 or 9 different wallets. All you really need is like one or two, maybe three at the most. And the three that I recommend is Xverse, Unisat, and Leather, right? And you'll see all my wallets, right? Now, now that we've gotten that out of the way, let me take you over to what I would say is the biggest um, NFT, Bitcoin NFT marketplace in the industry, which is Magic Eden. So let's mosey wosey on over to Magic Eden so I can show you guys. around the platform and show you how to purchase this infamous dog meme coin that I've been screaming all across social media about. Cool beans, cool beans. All right. Now, once we get to Magic Eating, right, we're going to see the tabs over here, right? And these tabs is just the different chains, right? So we see we have Bitcoin chain right here. We have the Solana chain. We have the Ethereum chain. We have the Polygon chain, and we have the base chain, right? Right now, we're focused on the Bitcoin chain. That's what we're working on, right? And when you get here, right, you're going to come to the home screen. You're going to click Bitcoin, and this is going to show you all of the Bitcoin ordinals collection, right? It's going to show you the floor price on them, meaning the minimum price that you can buy one of these collections at, right? It's going to show you the volume, the sales, the pending sales, market cap, and how many is listed, right? All of that good stuff. So what you're going to want to do when you get ready to purchase something is come over here to connect wallet. This pop-up is going to appear and you're just going to select whichever wallet that you have downloaded to your browser. For me, I'm going to use my Xverse wallet for this demonstration, right? Give it a second to connect. Okay, we're waiting on. There we go. Sometimes you might have to click it twice, or I don't know. It might just be my internet connection, right? So we're gonna enter that password that you created when you first created your wallet. Hit OK. It's gonna ask you to sign for permission. It's gonna let you know what you're signing for. The app will be able to see your wallet balance in activity, request transaction signing, right? So yes, you can connect. And the thing that I like about the S-Verse wallet, right? If you happen to click on a malicious link or a phishing link, which is a hacking link that people can drain your wallet with, right? Xverse wallet will let you know if you're about to send all of your crypto or all of your assets to the link that you just clicked, right? Now with MetaMask, the Ethereum wallet, that wasn't the case. You would click on a phishing link and sign a transaction, and it would just let the transaction go through like it was a normal transaction. Well, S-Verse wallet doesn't do that. You're gonna get a big red notification, letters in red, telling you, hey, you're about to get ready to send all of your assets to this link or to this wallet or whatnot. And that's what I like about the S-Verse wallet. I don't know if it's like that with all crypto wallets, but I know it's like that with it. That's why I like it, right? Security is most important thing when it comes to our money, our assets, our hard-earned money. We don't want to just be giving that away. So, with that being said, we see that the wallet is connected, right? The wallet is connected. If you look at my mouse up here in the top right-hand corner, wallet is connected. You see my Bitcoin balance right there for this wallet, right? So now, a lot of people have been asking me, how do you purchase this dog meme coin that you've been telling us about? So I'm about to show you. Now, once you've created your wallet, right? Most of you should know how to send and receive crypto by now. But if you don't, it's real simple, right? If you hold crypto on Coinbase, or if you got crypto on Robinhood, or if you got, well, I don't know if Robinhood allows you to send and receive crypto as of yet, but Coinbase, crypto.com, um, Cash App, if you got Bitcoin on your Cash App, right? All you have to do is simply go to your wallet, right? Go to your wallet, right? And you'll see over here, it'll have payments, meaning you can add funds here or you can receive funds to this address. And as you can see by the logo here, this is a Bitcoin, right? This is an ordinals address, which is Bitcoin NFTs, right? And so if I wanted to send Bitcoin to this wallet, all I would do is just copy the wallet there, go over to my Cash App or my Coinbase, do a send transaction. When it asks me for the address that I want to send it to, I'm going to paste this address in there. And it's just as simple as that, ladies and gentlemen. Just as simple as that. You don't have to make it any harder. If you don't want to do it from Magic Eden, if you want to do it straight from your wallet, you would just click on your wallet like I just did, right? You would click on Bitcoin right there, right? You would click on receive and you would copy that address and you would repeat the steps that I just went over. Go to your Coinbase or your Cash App or wherever you hold your Bitcoin. Do a send transaction. When it asks for the address that you want to send it to, you're going to paste this address. And voila. Now you have Bitcoin in your wallet. So if you wanted to buy one of these and you had at least 0.81 Bitcoin, well, a little bit more because of transaction fees, of course. So let's say you had 0.083 and you wanted to buy you one of these ordinals, or you wanted to buy your rune stone, right? And you got 0.03 in your wallet, right? You can click on here, right? Click on the runestone collection, and you can come right down here. Right now it says I cannot buy because I don't have um enough funds in my wallet. But if I had the funds in my wallet, this would be a buy button, and I would be able to buy this this runestone, right? Cool beans. But going back to the homepage, because I'm about to show you guys how to go about buying the dog meme coin that I've been screaming all over social media. So now that you've gotten your wallet, um, you've gotten your seed phrase written down and put up for safekeep. You've added funds to your wallet. Now you want to get in the game. Now you want to start doing some trading. Now you want to start doing some collecting of digital assets or digital collectibles, whatever you want to call it. I like the word digital collectibles better, right? Makes me sound like a professional collector, which in the crypto industry, I kind of am. But Um, that's neither here nor there. We're gonna keep it moving. So now, how do you buy dog? Right? So now we're gonna come up here. You see where we see the collection and rooms tab beside the Magic Eden logo. We're going to select rooms, right? And when we come to this page, if you want to know more about rooms and what rooms are, you can learn more here, which I suggest everybody does, right? Um, but um, after you read up on rules and learn a little bit more about rules and what it's all about, you're gonna come here where it says select a room. You're gonna click that tab, right? And the very first room that pops up is the room that I've been raving about. Dog. Dog go to the moon, right? So we're gonna select that, right? And when we get here, we see that we have a quantity, we have a price in sats, and we have a price in Bitcoin, right? If you don't know what sats is just the lowest denomination of Bitcoin, right? Meaning it takes 100 million sats to make one Bitcoin. Cool beans? Cool beans. So sats is short for Satoshi too. Thought I add that. So now we see that somebody has 889,806 dolls that they want to sell at $4,181, right? Which is basically 0.065748 Bitcoin, right? Um, and if you had enough Bitcoin in your wallet, you would just click the plus button. You see here it says insufficient funds. So that's why I can't buy it. But if I had the money, I would just be able to buy it. And voila, I would have me 889,806 dog tokens. Simple as that, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I know I understand a lot of people don't have 4 grand to spend on a meme coin or anything for that matter, right? So you can sort by the total price from low to high, right? And what I like to do, I like to just scroll down and see what I can snipe out of the market, right? So scroll down, keep scrolling, um, scrolling, right? So look, this is something that I wanted to make you guys aware of, right? And it's not just on Magic Eden, it's on every marketplace where you can buy rooms on. And I'll show you on Unisat as well. But you see right here, make sure that this is not a period. Make sure that that's a comma if you want to buy 5,000, because a lot of times you get on these marketplaces and you get to moving fast and clicking buttons and you're not really taking the time to look at what you're really doing. And like somebody would come and think that this 5,000, right? When it's really just 4.45454, right? So you want to make sure that these are commas and not period. Cool beans? I hope that makes sense for you guys. All right, so I'm just gonna keep scrolling to us. Okay, so now see the difference? This is a comma, meaning that is 1,000, not 1.0 and asking for $19, right? So you want to make sure that you're shopping for the best rate, right? So I like to always keep um a crypto exchange or a crypto price tracking website open in my tabs, right? So what I would do is I would come over here to coinw.coin, right? I mean, I'm sorry, yeah, coinw.com, and I would see what is the price of dog right now, right? On coinw.com, it's 0.005, right? Now, coinw.com is a CEX, right? CEX is in xylophone, CEX. That's a crypto exchange. You can actually exchange and trade crypto on a CEX, on a crypto exchange. Coin Market Cap is a crypto price tracking platform where you can just track the price of the cryptos in the industry, right? So as you can see, I'm on Coin Market Cap now, waiting on my slow internet to load up because I know it's not that much of a difference on Coin Market Cap than it is on Coin W. So I'm just gonna give it time to load and see what we got going on. Okay, so there is a little difference, and there will always more than likely be a difference between um, the crypto exchanges and crypto price tracking platforms, right? So we see on here it's 4.0.0046 on coinw.com. It's 0.005. So about a 4 point difference, right? However, I just want to see what the market value is so I can make sure when I'm purchasing off of Magic Eating that I'm not being taken fast or that I'm not um making a bad buy by um paying more than what the market value is. Cool beans, cool beans. So now I understand that uh, now I understand that okay, for where price is currently at for dog, right? Let's just say I wanted to buy 1,000 dog tokens or coins, right? I know that I know that that's like $4.30, right? And USDT or basically USD dollar, right? But this is a stable coin. That's what USDT is, a stable coin, right? So if I wanted to buy 1,000, right? The fair market value for 1,000 is $4.30, right? Now let's go back to Magic Eden. What do we see over here on Magic Eden that the market is trying to sell 1,000 dog for? Look, $19. That's 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 like that's like a 3x, 4x markup, right? Right. So with that being said, you want to try to find the best bang for your buck. You want to try to find the best rate, right? So I wouldn't even, you know, not giving these people are the people who was in from the very beginning. These people are more than likely people like myself who got airdropped this token for being one of the early users of the ordinals protocol, right? Meaning that we're being rewarded for supporting the system in its beginning stages, right? So all of us was airdrop Dogecoin, Dogecoin, right? And so these people are people just trying to um, triple their money or make profits off of their dog, right? But don't let them make it off you. Let somebody else who doesn't take the time to educate themselves and learn properly, let them be the exit liquidity, but not you, right? Now you're going to pay some markup, You're not gonna get it. You're not gonna get $1,000 for $4.30. The only way you're gonna do that is if you um do an exchange on the crypto exchange, like on here on coinw right? Now, if you have USDT in a wallet somewhere, right, you can come to coinw.com, create your account, right, and do a deposit right here. You see this deposit button? Deposit right there. And then you will be able to send the USDT from Coinbase, crypto.com, or wherever you hold your USDT at, right? You'll be able to send it here, deposit it in here, and then you'll be able to trade it, right? And then you can come down here, just like you see I have here, and you could trade um your USD, your USDT for $1,000 or however much you wanted to purchase, right? And then you will get the best rate. But if you use Magic Eden or um if you use Magic Eden or Unisat, 9 times out of 10, you're going to pay a markup because those people are trying to 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, 10x, 100x, 1,000x, 10,000x their profit. Simple as that. So I recommend if you are trading savvy, you know how to do a simple buy and sell trade on TradingView or any other trading platform, then you can use that skill here to buy your dog or whatever other meme coin or crypto coin that you might want to buy or trade on the crypto exchange, if that makes sense, right? So, yeah, go to deposit. It's going to ask you currency. You're going to say USDT or any cryptocurrency. It doesn't have to be USDT, but in order to buy coin, in order to buy dog, you're going to have to swap whatever cryptocurrency you deposit in it and deposit into here, whether it be Bitcoin, ELF, XRP, Bean, or whatever, Ethereum, right? You're going to have to swap that once you get over here, right, to USDT in order to trade it for dollar, right? So I suggest just sending in the USDT, right? So that way you can avoid all the other stuff, right? I'm gonna ask you for the network, um, ERC20, right? You're gonna copy that address, and that's gonna be the address that you send your uh, USDT to, right? Um, and simple as that. And then once you are ready to trade or yeah, trade, you're gonna come to trade. You're gonna go to spot, right? It's gonna take you back to the chart. you're gonna go to dog, right? And sorry guys. Um, and do your swap, right? And we see prices it's pumping now, guys. But yeah, y'all better get in on this. Um, we just a little bit under a $500 million market cap. I think we might have just broke a $500 million market cap. The target is $100 billion market cap, right? Um, but realistically, I think that we can definitely reach a $10 billion market cap just with it being the number one meme coin on Bitcoin and the community, the mindset in the um collective intelligence behind the community, right? This is mostly a community of thinkers, of innovators, of developers, of investors, day traders, um, who understand that the community are really the market makers, right? It's the mindset behind the community that makes the market, right? And if you have a community of hodlers, of community of longevity thinkers, if you have a community of diamond handers, then I think it is going to be tremendously easy to hit a $10 billion market cap for the dog meme coin, right? This is my personal opinion. You know, like I said from the beginning of the video, not financial advice in any way. I'm just telling you my point of view, my opinion, my perspective, and what I think is going to happen with dog, right? I think dog is going to eventually hit a $10 billion market cap, right? Over the next 5 to 8 months, right? So I'm saying that if you're buying into this token right now, what I'm doing, I'm buying to hold for a minimum of 5 to 8 months, right? For a minimum of 5 to 8 months. And then when we get there, depending on how price looks, what price is doing, the sentiment of the market will decide whether I sell it all, whether I sell half, whether I sell 30% and buy back in on the dip, right? Or whether I, like I said, just sell it all and get completely out, right? We'll determine that then. But as of now, my strategy is to accumulate as much as I can and hold at least for 5 to 8 months. So around September to December is when I'm going to be looking at an exit strategy, right? Or that is my exit strategy, right? And well, I should say that's the time frame where I'm going to be implementing my exit strategy, right? So let's just say I wanted to buy 10,000, right? You can at market, right? You can click limit and see how wait, What is going on? What is going on? All right. Let's say you wanted to buy, let's say you wanted to buy 10,000 dog, right? At market. Click on limit. It's why is this not working? What did I do? What did I do wrong? All right, let's see. Let's say you had 10,000 USDT, which is basically $10,000, right? Um, and let's say you wanted to buy 10,000. Say you wanted to buy $10,000. Um, what did I do wrong? Good gracious. Wow. Let me see. My bad, guys. I know this is taking a long time, but this is how it goes when you trading and buying and selling in the crypto market. So it's like this sometimes. So just bear with me. Um, okay. I think you got it straight. Okay, cool dude. Sorry about that, guys. Um, okay, all right, cool dude. Now, let's say you've transferred your USD in, right? So however much you transferred in, it'll show right here is your available USDT, right? And if you had already had some dollars in your wallet, I mean, or on the in your account, right? Then it will show right here as well. But let's say you wanted to buy $10,000, right? At the current price of 0.0052, right? It's showing you that $10,000 is going to cost you $51, right? And you would just simply come right here and select buy, and it's gonna pop up, ask you, are you sure you want to do this trade or whatnot? You're gonna hit okay and then do the trade. And then it's gonna swap your 51 USDT, right? And it's gonna buy $10,000, right? And then you'll see this 51 USDT subtracted from this available balance. And then you'll see 10,000 added to your dog available balance. And it's just as simple as that, doing a trade on the crypto exchange. And I recommend doing it this way because as you can see, as I show you with going back to Magic Eden, that if you buy off of Magic Eden, 9 times out of 10, you're gonna pay a markup, right? Because we just seen on coinw.coin that $10,000 is $51, right? But we're looking on here. Look at this, 10,000. Oh, this is a good deal right here. And see, and now let me take that back because sometimes you will find people on here slipping, right? Because this right here isn't much of a markup. $61. You see? And that's why you got to come on here. You got to shop around and make sure you're getting the best rate. Now, if I was a person that didn't know how to do the whole crypto exchange thing and make the trade or whatnot, I would buy this 10,000 for $61, right? You're only paying a $10 markup, right? That's not bad at all. That's not bad at all, right? Um, like here, look at this. This is ridiculous. Oh no, I'm sorry. Nah, about the same, $61, right? Another 10,000, $62, 62, 62. So you want to try to make sure that you're as close to market value as possible, right? So let's go back to coinw.com, right? Let's say you wanted to buy $100,000. It's showing you that $100,000 is going to cause you 510, right? And you could make that trade. If you got 510 USDT in this account, you can make that trade, right? And then you could just hold your dog until it gets to the your profit targets or wherever you're satisfied with your profits at, right? And then you can just sell that dog back for USDT, and you can hold those profits in USDT inside of your stable coin, and you don't have to worry about big fluctuations in price, right? Because USDT is always going to be dollar. It's not going to go down to a penny, 50 cent, none of it. So your money is basically safe in that USDT currency, right? But if you leave it in dog or you put it in another volatile asset like Ethereum, Bitcoin, or some other cryptocurrency, you could lose that money very quickly because we all understand that crypto markets are very volatile, right? So that's why it's called stable coin because that means that it's stable, it has stability, and it doesn't fluctuate, right? A lot, right? Now you might see USDT or USDC go down to 99 cent, even 98 cent or 97 cent, but this is as low as stable coin is pretty much going to go, right? So you're only going to lose a few cents on a dollar versus holding it in a crypto and losing tens of thousands or maybe even 70 to 80% of your profit, right? Cool beans, cool beans. So I think that that's gonna pretty much wrap up this tutorial. I just wanted to show you guys how to create a wallet, what you need to do as soon as you create a wallet, right? How to add funds to that wallet, and how to come on these um Bitcoin and Ethereum platforms and make purchases of NFTs or ordinals, which ordinals are what NFTs, ordinals are to Bitcoin, what NFTs are to the Ethereum net. Basically the same thing, just different names, right? So I wanted to show you guys how to be able to purchase ordinals and NFTs on Magic Eden. Oh yeah, and Unisat. Unisat is the same thing. Once you got your Unisat wallet downloaded and everything, you're gonna come back to Unisat homepage. You're gonna come to Marketplace. You're gonna come down to Rooms. Select Rooms, and again, Dog Go to the Moon would be the very first one that you see. You're gonna select that, and the same thing is on Magic Eden is the same thing on Unisat. You're gonna have people on here trying to sell their doll. Right here, this person is trying to sell 889,806 doll for $4,100. Right? You got this person trying to trade 81,000 for $385. If you want to know if that's a fair price for the market value of doll, then you come back over here to coinw.com. You come down here to how many it is that it said he's trying to sell. I think it was 89,000, right? That, and it'll show you that that's valued at $453, right? $453. We'll come back to Unisat. How much did he want for these 80? Was 80, 81,000? Did I type in 81,000? I typed in 89,000. Sorry. It was a little bit than 80, a little bit more than 81. So we're gonna do 82, 82,000. Showing you that that's the market value of that is 418 USDT, right? $418. So we're gonna come back to Unisat, see how much this bozo's trying to sell them for. $385, right? For so I think he's giving a deal. No, he's not. Yeah, he's giving a deal. And see, that's why it's I can't always say that it's best to buy off of the exchange, because if you do your homework and you're out there scouting the markets, then you can find deals like this. Because on here, you would pay 418 for 82,000, but right here, this guy or lady or whatnot is selling those 81,000 for let's just do it right. 81,970. Right. 81,979. Yeah, right. So still the same thing, $418, right? $418 on there, on here 385, right? So you're saving about 30, $40, right? Somewhere up in there about 30 bucks. Cool beans, I'll take that 30 bucks. So I just wanted to, show you how to come on here, how to shop around, how to scout the market, how to snipe the market, right? How show you how there's opportunity for arbitrage, right? If you don't know what arbitrage mean, look it up. It's like when one exchange has a different price from another exchange, or one marketplace have a different price for from another marketplace, and there's opportunity there for profits to be made, right? That's arbitrage. So, for example, if Coinbase had dog for $50 and crypto.com had Coinbase for $40, I could literally, I mean, if Coinbase had Bitcoin for $40, right? Let's just say the price of one Bitcoin was $40, right? And crypto.com had Bitcoin for $30. I could literally use arbitrage, right? Buy Bitcoin off of crypto.com for $30, go over to Coinbase where it's $40 per Bitcoin and sell that Bitcoin that I just bought for $30 on Coinbase for $40 and make $10 just like that. Now, sometimes the opportunity for arbitrage can be dollars. Sometimes it can be hundreds of dollars. Sometimes it can be thousands. Sometimes it can be tens of thousands, just depending on the volume that you're working with as a trader. Like people that's trading billions of dollars in volume and millions of dollars, those opportunities of arbitrage are way larger than somebody like you or me who's trading hundreds or thousands or tens of thousands of dollars. But there are opportunities of arbitrage, right? Because I can literally buy this for $385 and take it over to coinw.com and turn around and sell it for $418, and I just made a profit just that quick. Small profit, but profit nonetheless. So I think that's gonna pretty much bring this tutorial to a close. As always, man, I'm usually only just doing weekly day trading analysis in the futures and forex market for my paid subscribers for my students. But I did want to come and do this tutorial for the public. As I said earlier, I want to do my part in onboarding the masses into the crypto industry. I like you guys to get educated on decentralization, sovereignty, provenance, and the importance of decentralization and sovereignty and provenance. And I want you guys to just, learn more about this world, get in this world, get active in this world, start making purchases, start trading, start selling, and just get familiar with the industry in the world, because whether people want to believe it or accept it or not, this is where the future of finance and money is going. 1 trillion%, whether you want to accept it or not. So even if it don't, wouldn't you rather be prepared if it does? I think I'd rather be prepared. So with that being said, if this tutorial added any value to your life, if it educated you, helped you out whatsoever, please like, share, and most of all, subscribe to the YouTube channel. It really helps out a lot. Share it with a friend, get your family, your friends, your associates, your business partners involved, get them onboarded. Hey, I'm not telling you to go buy dog. I'm telling you what I think dog is going to do. And I think dog is going to do what Doge did, what Shiba did. Um, you know what Doge and Shiba did. I ain't gotta tell you, millionaires was made overnight. I really think that the same thing is going to occur with Doll or one of these room meme coins. So take that for what it's worth. It's all my personal opinion. Like I said in the beginning of the tutorial, this is in no way financial advice. This is for educational purposes only, in all my opinion. But I hope that this informed you guys some, educated you guys some, taught you guys something about how to create a wallet, how to fund the wallet, and how to purchase coins, ordinals, NFTs, meme coins on the Eden and Unisat marketplace. Magic Eden and Unisat marketplace. So, with that being said, as always, I appreciate you guys taking the time out your day to get this knowledge and empower yourselves. Um, please, please, please let your family and friends know you love them while they still here. Please. And as always, peace and love to everybody. You go dog to the moon, baby.